senior software developer. I come from Malta and I'm also based here. I have a bachelor's degree in computer engineering from the University of Malta, and I have been working with Go for the past 4 years. Within the digital team, I am part of one of the dev teams, and our team focuses on projects relating to customer relations management and the digital journey. I remember developing my first program when I was 12 years old. I was curious about what really happens under the hood for digital games, so I decided to create my own game. At this point, I was using a tool where I would drag and drop commands and input simple statements. And I didn't really understand that it was software development at this point. So I used to say I am creating a game. Later on, in secondary school, I decided to take IT as one of my optional subjects, and there was when I started to attend my first coding classes. When I saw that there are languages that a human can use to instruct a machine what to do to reach a specific goal, I knew it was something which I wanted to know more about. Have you ever experienced bias in your career? Yes, I used to work overseas and I didn't speak the native language. And sometimes I was invited to meetings where the meetings were carried out in the native language. In those cases, I couldn't be part of the discussion or to share my own views. Having good relationships at your workplace is crucial. We are humans and we work best when we communicate. Where relationships are weak, there is not much place for communication. This would affect the individuals both at personal and professional level. In my own experience in software development, I don't think I had too much problems about me being myself. However, I have seen cases where people were treated differently due to their background. On the other hand, I have also seen initiatives trying to break the stigma on workplaces. No, I don't form part of such communities. Yes, I started my first job when I was in my first year in university, and there I had a student position in a software development company, and I was assigned a mentor. My mentor helped me in bridging what I was learning in the lecture rooms and what was expected in the industry. There were things to learn, so it was a bit overwhelming at first, but then I realized it was normal that in my career path, one had to keep up to date with the latest technologies. I still search for mentors in my workplace. I can say I'm lucky enough to be working with bright people from whom I learn from every day, and I'm also happy to be sharing my own knowledge with my colleagues. Software development is not simply about instructing a machine what to do. We work in teams to identify gaps, architect solutions, maximize the potential of our systems, and deliver a solution. My satisfaction is when I see users finding a solution to their problems, or a better solution at least. Be it users, internal users, or our own customers. We are, at the end of the day, creating tools, and we love seeing these tools at work. A few years ago, I have been assigned as the main developer of a specific system. We were on our way to deliver our first version of our mobile app, and I knew that this system was going to be an integral part of our mobile app. So, not knowing what type of traffic to expect, I knew I had to deliver the most efficient solution possible. launch date arrived, the app was released, and I remember monitoring the traffic coming in and actually seeing the system responding flawlessly. It was a big satisfaction for me, especially knowing that I was part of the team delivering a product that is now being used nationwide. Follow your heart. I believe that the heart is the compass. Whatever challenges stand between you and your goals, whatever they are, I believe that you should overcome, especially if this is the thing that you really want. There will be times where it is going to be difficult, where um, you have to make sacrifices or be disciplined, but I wouldn't see this as a negative thing. It is an investment for your future after all. Also, if you get the opportunity to meet people like you following the same path or for work experiences, I would highly suggest that you take such opportunities as they will really help you to achieve your goal. If that is not enough, we are moving towards a digitized world. Everyone is on a mission to go digital, so the industry really needs people like you. Simply put, go for it.